Want to feel amazing? Cardio is the answer. It's not just about burning calories or losing weight. Cardio exercises are a fantastic way to boost your overall well-being. They help improve your heart health, increase lung capacity, and even enhance your mood. Imagine starting your day with a burst of energy that keeps you going strong all day long. It's like a supercharge for your body and mind. When you engage in cardio activities, your body releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones that make you feel happier and more relaxed. Plus, regular cardio can help reduce stress, anxiety, and even symptoms of depression. It's a natural way to lift your spirits and keep you motivated. Even a little bit each day makes a difference. You don't need to spend hours at the gym to reap the benefits. Just 20, 30 minutes of moderate cardio activity, like brisk walking, jogging, or dancing, can have a significant impact on your health. Consistency is key, and every step you take brings you closer to a healthier lifestyle. You don't need fancy gyms or lots of time. Let's get moving. You can do cardio exercises right in the comfort of your home. Use household items like water bottles as weights, or follow along with online workout videos. The possibilities are endless, and you can tailor your routine to fit your schedule and preferences. Cardio is about getting your heart pumping. It's about finding joy in movement and making it a part of your daily routine. Whether you prefer running, cycling, swimming, or dancing, there's a cardio activity out there for everyone. The key is to find what you love and stick with it. Think of it as a fun workout for your heart, lungs, and blood vessels. Cardio exercises help improve circulation, lower blood pressure, and strengthen your cardiovascular system. It's like giving your body a tune-up, ensuring everything runs smoothly and efficiently. It's the key to a healthier, happier you. Regular cardio can help you maintain a healthy weight, improve your sleep, and boost your immune system. It's an investment in your long-term health and well-being. Ready to feel the energy? Let's jump right in. Embrace the power of cardio and make it a part of your daily routine. Your body and mind will thank you for it. So, lace up your sneakers, put on your favorite workout playlist, and let's get moving. Short on time? No problem. In today's fast-paced world, finding time for a full workout can be challenging. But don't worry, you don't need an hour at the gym to stay fit and healthy. Even 5 minutes of cardio can make you healthier. These short bursts of activity can be easily integrated into your daily routine, whether you're at home, in the office, or even on a quick break. It's like a mini vacation for your mind, boosting your mood and energy levels. Just a few minutes of movement can release endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals, leaving you feeling happier and more relaxed. Feeling stressed or tired? A quick cardio blast can help. When you're feeling overwhelmed, a short burst of exercise can clear your mind and help you refocus, making you more productive and less stressed. These short bursts of activity help your body burn calories more effectively. High-intensity exercises like jumping jacks, burpees, or high knees can elevate your heart rate quickly, leading to more calories burned in less time. You'll feel lighter and more energized throughout the day. Regularly incorporating these quick workouts can improve your overall fitness, making daily tasks feel easier and less tiring. Plus, regular cardio strengthens your heart and lungs, making everyday activities easier. Over time, you'll notice improved stamina and endurance, allowing you to enjoy life more fully. Who knew 5 minutes could do so much? So next time you're short on time, remember that even a quick workout can have big benefits for your body and mind. Here's the fun part. Working out at home has never been easier or more fun. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting out, these exercises are perfect for everyone. You can do these easy exercises anywhere, anytime. No need for a gym membership or fancy equipment. Just find a comfortable spot in your home, or even head to a nearby park for some fresh air. No equipment needed, just your energy and enthusiasm. These exercises are designed to be simple yet effective, ensuring you get a great workout without any hassle. Jumping jacks. Remember these from gym class? They're simple but effective. Start with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump up, spreading your legs and raising your arms above your head. Return to the starting position and repeat. This exercise gets your heart pumping and muscles working. Burpees. A full body workout in one move. Start standing, then squat, kick back, do a push-up or not, and jump up. This exercise targets multiple muscle groups, including your legs, core, and upper body. It's a great way to build strength and endurance. High knees. Run in place, bringing your knees up high. Great for warming up or a quick cardio burst. This exercise helps improve your cardiovascular fitness and strengthens your leg muscles. Try to keep a steady pace and bring your knees as high as possible. Mix and match these exercises. Do each one for a minute and you've got your 5-minute workout. Feel free to repeat the circuit for a longer session or add your favorite moves. The key is to stay consistent and have fun. Remember, every bit of movement counts towards a healthier you. So get moving and enjoy your home workout. Section 4. Making it a habit. You can do it. The key is to make cardio a part of your daily routine. It's easier than you think. Try doing a quick 5-minute workout first thing in the morning to kickstart your day. Or squeeze in a quick session during your lunch break or while dinner is cooking. No time for a full 5 minutes? Even a few minutes here and there adds up. Section 5. Start small, feel the difference. Remember, every step counts. Don't be afraid to start small. Even a few minutes of cardio each day can make a big difference in how you feel. You'll have more energy, feel happier, and be on your way to a healthier lifestyle. So what are you waiting for? Put on some music, get moving, and feel the difference.